Nice job, buddy. Nice job.
It's pretty good.
What you got? Can I have one? Can Daddy have one? No! You better give me that. Thank you. What's on your feet? What's on your feet? What's on your... Andrew, what's on your feet? Andrew, what's on your feet? Oh, a little furry clown, a monster clown boy. You? Oh, that's another Elmo, huh? Let me see. Can you push the button? Almost. Good job!